Hello, hello, hello. I hope the microphone's working this time, John.
Perfect.
Perfect, just like you. Left me already. So I am currently on Snakepass in Glossop on my way to Derwent-Dam on the XSR700 for the very first time. I was going to record from the beginning, however we had a bit of an issue with the SD card, so we stopped halfway up because it is pretty cool actually. Grumpy John's in front, also a novice rider still, but he knows this road better than me, so that's why he's gone in front for this one. He's also going to get some really good footage of me on his GoPro, which is currently at the bottom of his bike facing me, so I'm going to give him a finger. Really good biking road this, lots of twists and turns and other bikers. Oh, it's a girl biker, just in a little kid and a little girl in driving through a town centre. She was like, oh my god mummy, that's a girl biker. That was quite cute actually. Very chilly day, dusting off the cobwebs. Some nice turns on this road. Oh, bumpity bump, bumpity bump. Very windy roads, I love it. Got some bikers behind us, as John's just pointed out. It's a really nice road to ride on this, John. Oh, the bends on this road, man, they're amazing. It's really good fun. This road gets closed in winter a lot. Well, not in the winter when it snows, because it's so high up. It's a really dangerous road, so they just close it. You know, when it's like really high winds and stuff, so you've got to be careful when you come out on the bike.
Massive bump.
Oh, my fingers are getting a bit nippy now, John.
Contemplating my life choices.
We're going to stop off at this little place where we've been before. I was on the 125 though when we came here last time, and they've got like a little cafe and stuff, so I think I might have to get a brew to warm my hands up. Are we allowed to do that? No then. Let the seasoned professionals do it if they want to.
Hello, fellow bikers.
It's the girl biker that pulled into the car park before. She just waved at me. I like being a biker, everyone's dead friendly. But no, the other bikers are. Whee! Oh, it's such a fun road, John, I love it. Can we do it again in the summer though, so my fingers don't hurt? How far is Tutbury from here? We might have to reevaluate that situation. Because it's 2 o'clock now. Ooh, bendy roads for 2.5 miles. Yes! Oh, my hands are absolutely freezing, I'm not gonna lie. I can't feel my fingertips. Now, I keep asking Grumpy John for some heated gloves, and I'm still waiting, so we need to be having words. He bought me heated grips, right, but I've got Raynaud's disease, so my fingertips go really, really cold and numb, especially in the freezing cold weather. So the heated grips won't work for my hands. Which he's conceded to, but has yet to buy me the heated gloves. I'm going skiing instead with my heated gloves. I'm just going to go and buy my own heated gloves, John. Not even bothered anymore, I'm sick of asking you. Right, well, I'm just going to get them because it's freezing. They're really, really cold. Right, stop talking about my fingers because I'm thinking about it even more now. Shut up. I might set up a GoFundMe. I'm kidding, I'm not going to do that. Yeah, so we are going skiing in February, which is going to be great fun, seeing as though I can't feel my fingers now. I can feel my toes are alright. Oh, that's a beautiful body of water. Okay. Views around here are absolutely amazing, like properly nice. Put my foot down a bit here. It's a massive reservoir, I don't even know what it's called that. Does your sat nav tell you what that's called, John? That res? Never mind. Gorgeous round here. Woo! I love it! Oh, surface water, that means slow. I told the guy behind me as well.
I did the little foot thing. Ha!
And here we are now, arriving at where we want to go. Oh, my biker friend's gone. Oh, cattle grid. Ooh. Yeah, it's really different to doing a cattle grid in a car. It wasn't half as bad as I expected, that. We're going to have lots of wet frogs. Ribbit, ribbit.
Wet frogs means leaves on the road.
People just park their cars in such random places, don't they? There's a car right up my arse here, you know. Oh, this water is just ridiculously gorgeous. Okay. Sorry, we're just trying to sort out drone footage. John's brought the drone to get some footage of me on the bike. So we're just scouting the area to see what's good and what's not.
We didn't do drone footage. I was too cold.
Oh, definitely feeling the cold now. We've been out for 2 hours, so we've not done too bad.
Then we arrived at Snakepass. And this Muppet forgot to plug her mic back in, so the rest of my footage is useless. Ha 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 ha. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my content.